Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see the parts of the brain, how the brain is divided into three principal parts. The brain is divided into three principal parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain, that is the upper one, midbrain is the middle one, and hindbrain is the lower one. So brain embryonically जो हमारा neural tube था, it is divided into three parts. The first part, it forms the prosencephalon. The first part is the prosencephalon. Encephalon means brain. Brain means encephalon. Now you pronounce it cephalon, you pronounce it cephalon, doesn't matter, but spelling CE ही होगी. Why I am so particular of the spelling here is this chapter is there for your 12th standard board exam also. So where you have to write, if an answer comes on the parts of the brain, classify the brain depending on its parts, okay? So you will have to write this spelling, so encephalon. So embryonically जो हमारा neural tube है, neural tissue है, we have seen it is derived from ectoderm. So this neural tube is derived from the ectoderm. Embryonically, it is divided into three parts. It was divided into three parts. First one is prosencephalon. Second one is mesencephalon. Mesencephalon. And the third one is rhombencephalon. Third one is rhombencephalon. Rhombencephalon. So the first one is prosencephalon. Second one is mesencephalon. Third one is rhombencephalon. So all of you just do the simple drawing: prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon. Prosencephalon is the forebrain. Forebrain. So this is the first part. Mesencephalon is the middle brain. It is the midbrain. Mesencephalon. Rhombencephalon, it is the hindbrain. This is the third part. It is the hindbrain. जैसे हमारे limbs में hands are the forelimbs, legs are the hind limbs. So the upper part of the brain is the forebrain. Then you have the midbrain. Then you have the hindbrain. So the brain embryonically is developed into three parts: the prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. This is during the early stages of embryonic development. धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे एम्ब्रियो और डेवलप होता है मदर की बॉडी के अंदर, this is again divided. The prosencephalon is divided into two parts. Prosencephalon के दो parts बन जाते हैं. So the first part of the prosencephalon is telencephalon. Telencephalon. First part of the prosencephalon is telencephalon. The second part is diencephalon. Second part is diencephalon. So ये जो एक prosencephalon है, इसमें से दो parts बन जाएंगे. First part will be the telencephalon. Second part will be the diencephalon. So the prosencephalon, the forebrain, it will divide into two now. Okay, into the telencephalon and the diencephalon. Important MCQs over here. Prosencephalon is equal to telencephalon plus diencephalon. Prosencephalon, that is the forebrain, is equal to telencephalon plus diencephalon. So forebrain is divided into two parts. All right. Now the midbrain. Midbrain, that is the mesencephalon, remains the same. That is the mesencephalon. So the midbrain will remain the same. So this is the midbrain. It will remain the same, the mesencephalon, and the hindbrain. The hindbrain will again be divided into two parts. Hindbrain is again divided into two parts, the first part and the second part. The first part is myelencephalon, and the second part is metencephalon. So the first part is myelencephalon, second part is metencephalon. So this rhombencephalon, this is one over here, will divide into two parts, the myelencephalon and the metencephalon, and this now will continue as the spinal cord. This will continue as the spinal cord. So again an MCQ, rhombencephalon, that is hindbrain, will be made up of myelencephalon plus metencephalon. Rhombencephalon, that is the hindbrain, will be made up of myelencephalon plus metencephalon. And then the hindbrain, it continues as the spinal cord. The hindbrain will continue as the spinal cord. So now we will write what is forming what. Telencephalon will be forming what in an adult brain. Okay, we are going to see those structures. So I will write metencephalon here. I will be writing metencephalon here. Okay, you'll understand why I am doing this right now. I will write myelencephalon here. Metencephalon is this upper one and myelencephalon is this lower one. So myelencephalon will continue as the spinal cord. So now let us see what is the telencephalon forming in an adult brain. Telencephalon in the adult brain, it forms the cerebrum. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. We are going to see it in the next lecture. So telencephalon बनाएगा cerebrum. Diencephalon से बनेगा epithalamus. Diencephalon से बनेगा epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. Diencephalon से बनेगा thalamus, epithalamus and hypothalamus. These will be the three structures which will form the diencephalon together. So MCQ, diencephalon will include what? It will include epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. Epithalamus roof बनाता है diencephalon का. Hypothalamus floor बनाता है. Epithalamus roof, hypothalamus floor and thalamus it forms the lateral walls. आप जिस रूम में बैठे हो अभी just check. There is one roof, there is one floor and there are the lateral walls. So epithalamus it forms the roof. Epithalamus ये roof बनाएगा. Hypothalamus ये floor बनाएगा. And thalamus will be the lateral walls. Thalamus will be the lateral walls. Now along with these structures in the forebrain, अब देखो forebrain में कितने total structures हैं? There is cerebrum, there is epithalamus, there is thalamus, there is hypothalamus. Along with these, there are these reduced olfactory lobes. In the human beings, they are reduced. So these are olfactory lobes. These are the reduced olfactory lobes which will also be present, which will also be formed from the prosencephalon. And these olfactory lobes, they will come from the rhinencephalon. Rhinencephalon will form these olfactory lobes. So prosencephalon में rhinencephalon, telencephalon, diencephalon ये तीनों structures आएंगे. Rhinencephalon will form the olfactory lobes. These are reduced in case of human beings. We will speak of their functions जब हम functions देखेंगे. Then telencephalon cerebrum बनाएगा. Diencephalon will form the epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. So epithalamus is the roof, thalamus is the lateral walls and hypothalamus is the floor. Mesencephalon बनाएगा midbrain. Mesencephalon ये बनाएगा मिड ब्रेन। मिड ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन में दो स्ट्रक्चर्स बनेंगे, ओके। mesencephalon is the mid brain. There will be two structures in this midbrain. One is the colliculi. One structure is corpora quadrigemina. कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रीजेमिना, ये 4 न्यूक्लियस का सेट होगा। सी कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रीजेमिना, it will be a set of 4 nucleus, corpora quadrigemina. So if I want to draw it, I'll be doing it over here. 4 न्यूक्लियस का सेट होगा कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रीजेमिना, एंड उसके साथ होंगे सब नर्व फाइबर्स। इसके साथ होंगे सब नर्व फाइबर्स which will be called cerebral peduncles. They will also be called crura cerebri. So cerebral peduncles और crura cerebri, ये दो स्ट्रक्चर्स मिलके बनाएंगे मिड ब्रेन, दैट इज द mesencephalon. हम एक कंप्लीट डायग्राम करने वाले हैं, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द क्लासिफिकेशन, ओके। मिड ब्रेन, दैट इज द mesencephalon, विल बी फॉर्मिंग 4 न्यूक्लियर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, जिसमें से 2 सुपीरियर हैं, 2 इंफीरियर हैं। देखो, 2 सुपीरियर, 2 इंफीरियर। ये है सुपीरियर कॉलिक्यूलाई, ये है इंफीरियर कॉलिक्यूलाई। मिड ब्रेन will consist of corpora quadrigemina, 4 nucleus, along with these tracts of nerve fibers, which is called cerebral peduncles or the crura cerebri. All right, so mid brain में इतना structure रहेगा. Now come to the hind brain. इसमें से metencephalon will form pons and cerebellum. Metencephalon will form pons and cerebellum. सेरिबेलम है, देखो ये, नॉट सेरिब्रम। सेरिब्रम ये है telencephalon, forebrain. This is cerebellum. So metencephalon will form 2 structures, that is pons and cerebellum. And the myelencephalon will form the medulla oblongata. Myelencephalon will form medulla oblongata. So this the myelencephalon is going to form. ये तीनों स्ट्रक्चर्स मिला के pons plus cerebellum plus medulla oblongata मिला के बनाते हैं hind brain. Just see the chart, all of you now. Okay, metencephalon, myelencephalon, ये hind brain के parts हैं, ये मिला के बनाते हैं। metencephalon बनाएगा pons and cerebellum, myelencephalon बनाएगा medulla oblongata, and medulla oblongata continues as the spinal cord. So quickly now we will revise. Embryonically, brain is divided into 3 vesicles. एक neural tube में 3 parts हो जाते हैं. One is prosencephalon, second is mesencephalon, third is rhombencephalon. Prosencephalon is divided into telencephalon, diencephalon and rhinencephalon, which is reduced in case of human beings. The sense of smell, okay, dogs की जितनी sense of smell होती है उतनी human beings की नहीं होती है. It is reduced, but yes, those reduced olfactory lobes are present. So rhinencephalon, telencephalon and diencephalon. Telencephalon बनाएगा cerebrum, diencephalon बनाएगा epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. Then you have the mesencephalon. Mesencephalon will be consisting of 4 nuclear-like structures, which is the superior colliculi, 2 ऊपर वाली superior, 2 नीचे वाली inferior, superior colliculi and inferior colliculi मिलके बनाएंगे corpora quadrigemina. Corpora quadri means 4, so corpora quadrigemina. Along with this, the tracts of nerve fibers, which will be called cerebral peduncles or the crura cerebri. Then you have the hindbrain. Hindbrain will be divided, the rhombencephalon will be divided into metencephalon and myelencephalon. Metencephalon बनाएगा pons और cerebellum and myelencephalon बनाएगा medulla oblongata. Alright, so now we are going to do one diagram जिसमें आपको ये सारे structures cover हो जाएंगे. We will be labeling all these structures. We are going to do one diagram of all these structures. Alright, so now to see all these structures in one diagram, हमको lateral view देखना पड़ेगा brain का, not this upper view. Okay, we have to see the brain from this lateral side after removing one cerebrum, cerebral hemisphere. ये जो cerebrum है, ये दो parts में divided रहता है, हम आगे देखेंगे इसको. Okay, this is from here till your back portion. From here till your back portion is your cerebrum. सेरिब्रम को एक साइड से रिमूव किया तो हम लैटरल व्यू में ये सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स देख सकते हैं विद अ वेरी सिंपल लैटरल डायग्राम ऑफ द ब्रेन. चलो, यू विल डू इट विथ मी. सी दिस. This is the spinal cord. I will start this drawing from below. So this is the spinal cord. चलो, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के ऊपर क्या आएगा? मेड्यूला ऑब्लोंगेटा. So this is the medulla oblongata. See, medulla oblongata के ऊपर pons. This is the pons. And the cerebellum, it is a lateral structure. Laterally located रहेगा cerebellum. So this what I have done is cerebellum. So quickly all of you, this cerebellum plus pons plus medulla oblongata, ये मिलके क्या बनाएंगे? मिलके बनाएंगे hindbrain. That is the rhombencephalon. देखो ये structures हमने यहाँ लिखे हैं. Pons, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. These will be the parts of hindbrain. So spinal cord से ऊपर medulla oblongata. Because medulla oblongata continues as the spinal cord. ये डायग्राम मैंने नीचे से बनाना चालू किया है. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, फिर मेड्यूला ऑब्लोंगेटा, फिर पॉन्स, ये एक लाइन में रहेंगे. सेरिबेलम लैटरली आएगा, साइड से आएगा, तो सेरिबेलम को साइड से बनाए. अब पॉन्स के ऊपर क्या आएगा? पॉन्स के ऊपर क्या आएगा? देखो यहाँ पे पॉन्स के ऊपर मेसेनकेफेलॉन आएगा. दैट इज द मिड ब्रेन. सो नाउ दिस इज माय midbrain, that is the mesencephalon. इसमें आएंगी दो superior nucleus, दो inferior nucleus, and you will have the tracts of nerve fibers. We have seen what they are called. So चलो, ये जो structures हैं, ये हैं corpora, quadrigemina, and these tracts of nerve fibers are the crura cerebri. These together will form the mesencephalon. These together will form the mesencephalon. So pons के ऊपर वाला structure होगा midbrain. Midbrain is formed of 4 nucleus, that is corpora quadrigemina. इसमें से दो सुपीरियर है, देखो दो ऊपर है, दो नीचे हैं, दो इंफीरियर है. तो कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रिजेमिना में दो सुपीरियर न्यूक्लियस, दो इंफीरियर न्यूक्लियस, एंड दीज ट्रैक्ट्स ऑफ नर्व फाइबर्स व्हिच इज कॉल्ड क्रूरा सेरिब्राई. नाउ मिड ब्रेन के ऊपर क्या आएगा? मिड ब्रेन के ऊपर आएगा डायनकेफेलॉन. मिड ब्रेन के ऊपर आएगा डायनकेफेलॉन. Diencephalon is formed of epithalamus, the roof, hypothalamus, the floor, and thalamus, the lateral wall. So now I am going to do the diencephalon. देखो, epithalamus, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Epithalamus, thalamus, and hypothalamus. These three structures together will be forming diencephalon. See, this is epithalamus. This is thalamus, the lateral walls. And then you have the hypothalamus. किसी भी चीज के ऊपर वाली चीज एपी होती है, नीचे वाली चीज सब या हाइपो होती है. तो थैलेमस के ऊपर एपिथैलेमस, थैलेमस के नीचे हाइपोथैलेमस, एंड थैलेमस आर द लैटरल वॉल्स. नाउ वी ऑल नो हाइपोथैलेमस के साथ hypothalamus का downward extension is pituitary gland. So I've done this pituitary gland over here. All right. So these three things, epithalamus, thalamus, hypothalamus, मिलके बनाएंगे diencephalon. They are going to form the diencephalon. अब क्या बचा है? बचा है cerebrum. I told you कि cerebrum is like a shower cap. यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो हम shower cap पहनते हैं. All right. So ये cerebrum यहाँ से पूरा एक structure आएगा यहाँ तक. This will be the cerebrum. This will be the cerebrum. अब मैं ऐसे खड़ी हूं, मैं ऐसे ही बना रही हूं पूरा स्ट्रक्चर. लैटरली जो मुझे दिख रहा है ब्रेन. So you have spinal cord, medulla oblongata, pons, cerebellum, midbrain, diencephalon, cerebrum और diencephalon मिलके बनाएंगे forebrain. Alright? और यहां से आएगा हमारा face side of the body. This will be the face side. तो ये face side है और ये बैक साइड है. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पीछे से निकलता है डॉर्सली. देखो, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड विल बी कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द डॉर्सल सरफेस. दिस इज द फेस साइड ऑफ माय बॉडी. सेरिब्रम एक पूरी शावर कैप होगी जो कैप यहां से लेके पीछे तक एक्सटेंडिंग है. देखो. ऑलराइट. सो दिस इज द फेस साइड. सिंपल डायग्राम. देखो, एक सिंपल लैटरल डायग्राम में मैंने वो सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स बना दिए जो हमने पहले चार्ट में लिखे थे. जस्ट कोरिलेट. I am only remaining with the olfactory lobes. वो यहाँ anteriorly present रहेंगे. So you can do 2 olfactory lobes over here. These are the olfactory lobes. Alright, olfactory lobes. I'll show you all these structures in pictures also. But ये simple diagram आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. See the cerebrum, see the epithalamus, thalamus, hypothalamus, see the midbrain, that is corpora quadrigemina, crura cerebri. Now see the cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata, they will form the hindbrain. Alright? And now, one more MCQ before we end the lecture. One more MCQ over here. Brain stem, ये कौन से structures बनाते हैं? So the brain stem is formed by these 3 structures which are coming in line. And continuing as the spinal cord. ये 3 structures मिलके बनाते हैं brain stem. All of you will write this very important MCQ. Brain stem, now check. Brain stem में कौन से 3 structures हैं? Check. This is what? Midbrain, then pons, then medulla oblongata, and it continues as the spinal cord. अब confusion क्या होता है? You feel that hindbrain will form the brain stem, but ऐसा नहीं है. Brain stem, एक stem मतलब एक line में आने वाले structures. Cerebellum तो laterally आ रहा है, ऐसे आता है cerebrum, lateral side से. ये central midline में नहीं है. ये brain stem नहीं बनाएगा. So hindbrain के 2 structures brain stem बनाएंगे, that is pons and medulla oblongata. But cerebellum नहीं बनाएगा. Important MCQ. Which parts of the hindbrain will form the brain stem? Hindbrain के कौन से parts brain stem बनाएंगे? It is the pons and the medulla oblongata. And इनके साथ midbrain जो कि इस straight line में आ रहा है, ये तीनों structures मिलके बनाएंगे brain stem. So the brain stem will be formed of midbrain, of pons, and the third structure will be the medulla oblongata. The third structure will be the medulla oblongata. So brain stem ये 3 structures मिलके बनाएंगे. On the board, all of you, all these parts of the brain are important MCQs. You should know their names as telencephalon, diencephalon, mesencephalon, metencephalon, myelencephalon. You should understand कि फोर ब्रेन जिसको हम प्रोजेनकेफेलॉन बोल रहे हैं, प्रोजेनकेफेलॉन में टीलेनकेफेलॉन, डायनकेफेलॉन, राइनेनकेफेलॉन, ये तीनों स्ट्रक्चर्स आएंगे. मिड ब्रेन mesencephalon रहेगा, and hind brain, that is the rhombencephalon, will have metencephalon and myelencephalon. And then कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर क्या बनाता है? अडल्ट ब्रेन में सेरिब्रम, एपिथैलेमस, थैलेमस, हाइपोथैलेमस, ऑल्फैक्टरी लोब, ये मिलके बनाएंगे फोर ब्रेन. कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रिजेमिना, सेरिब्रल पेडंकल्स और द क्रूरा सेरिब्राई मिलके बनाएंगे मिड ब्रेन. फॉन्स, cerebellum and medulla oblongata मिलके बनाएंगे hind brain. And the medulla oblongata continues as the spinal cord. Important MCQ, which part of the brain continues as the spinal cord? Which is the biggest part amongst all these? The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. Cerebrum, it will be starting from here and coming till here. It is the biggest part of the brain. We will see the different parts in detail along with their function in the following lectures. Alright, for now आप देखो कि आपको ये सब समझा है क्या. और brain stem is also a very favorite MCQ. So brain stem will be formed by एक लाइन में जो सब structures आएंगे. So midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata, they will form the brain stem. Medulla oblongata will continue as the spinal cord. So simple diagrams with the simple classification, and this diagram also start doing it from the spinal cord. You actually will not get to draw this diagram, but आपको अगर ये classification ध्यान में रखना है तो ये diagram आपको roughly imaginary draw करते आना चाहिए, so that you don't confuse which part is going to have what is going to continue as what. Okay, and midbrain is going to be the connecting portion between the forebrain and the hindbrain. देखो ये मिड ब्रेन के ऊपर फोर ब्रेन रहेगा, मिड ब्रेन के नीचे हाइंड ब्रेन रहेगा. सो मिड ब्रेन विल बी द कनेक्टिंग पोर्शन बिटवीन द फोर ब्रेन एंड द हाइंड ब्रेन. ऑल राइट, सो वी कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.